Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a credit note to a bill in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to open, and how to confirm you're working on the right bill before allocating a credit. First, make sure you're on the Xero homepage and in the correct organization. This is important if you have access to multiple entities. From here, head to the main menu and click Purchases. This area contains everything related to your supplier spending, bills awaiting payment, paid bills, and any supplier credit notes you may need to allocate. Next, choose Bills. This opens a list view where you can see all your supplier bills. You'll typically notice tabs or filters that separate awaiting payment and paid items. If your list is long, you can sort or scan by supplier name, bill reference, or amount to find what you're looking for. The goal is to locate the bill that needs a credit applied. Now click into the bill you're working on, take a moment to review the key details: supplier name, bill reference, due date, subtotal, tax, and the total amount due. If a related credit note already exists for that supplier, Xero will usually flag it on the bill page, making it easy to allocate. Verifying these details up front helps prevent allocating a credit to the wrong bill or the wrong supplier. To double check the status and compare amounts, go back to the top navigation and open the Bills to Pay view. This gives you a clear snapshot of what's outstanding. It's a quick way to confirm the bill is still awaiting payment and that the outstanding balance matches what you expect before you proceed with any credit allocation. If a bill is already paid, you'd handle things differently, so this check keeps you on the right track. Once you've confirmed the details, click back into the same bill. You're now in the best place to allocate an available credit note. On this screen, Xero will show you options related to credits for that supplier, including any unallocated amounts. Allocating from here ensures the credit reduces the correct bill and updates your account's payable balance accurately. Before you wrap up, remember a few tips. Always confirm supplier names and bill references match the credit note. If you use multiple currencies or tax rates, verify that the credit note aligns with the bill's currency and tax treatment. And if you attach documents to bills, keep the credit note attached as well for a clean audit trail. That's it. Navigate to Purchases, open Bills, review the bill, check Bills to Pay to confirm, and return to the same bill to allocate the credit confidently.